And it's a very good afternoon on the 15th of October 2018. My name is Rishi Patel, co-founder, Master of the Markets, the Elite Traders Conference, and the Traders Open Day. And a warm welcome into this video update here on the dollar against the Swiss franc, which you can see has just hit its target literally into the last 15 minutes of the day. It's actually hit its target around 15 minutes ago. The money bar strategy seems absolutely unstoppable at the moment, giving us yet another profit here on this dollar Swiss, just over 1%. Let's check the exact profit. So we have exited the market there on the 15th of October 2018. Let's just go ahead and update the trade journal with the relevant information. So 9th to the 10th, 2018, we're in the trade. And we're out at 9853, a full profit target of 1.02%, 54 pips of upside. So just on the last two money bars trades there, another 2.08% we've taken off the table. So absolutely brilliant work there by the live trading room team. The money bar strategy, they're now at reliability of 76%, just there. So we have taken the money off the table. You can see on the trading account £1,086.62 of upside just there as well. Let's take a look as well as to the new profit that brings us towards for this year itself. So it is now up. Our money bars account is now up £12,432 just there. So just under £1,000 a month so far, just over £1,000 a month actually so far for this, which is not really bad for 15 minutes of work a day. And all you saw us yesterday in the live trading room, we just trailed the stop to the high of this reversal primary here, and that was it. And now the profit target has been banked. So that's it on the update. We're very much looking forward to the next money bar setups, and we'll continue to give you updates as we go through. But excellent work on the live trading room. To those of you who took the trade, you are banked for 1.02%, £1,086 for ourselves just there on that dollar Swiss. Look forward to speaking to you all soon. Until the next time, stay disciplined, follow your plan, and keep trading like a master. Bye for now.